Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to transfer data from an Android to iOS or another Android device. Transferring data between smartphone devices has historically been a complex procedure. Among the various third-party services, none of them streamline operations as effectively as Dr.Fone. The phone transfer feature offered by Dr.Fone presents a holistic solution that is speedy, effortless and seamless, enabling swift and effortless data transfer from Android to any other device. Well, let's go to the extensive manual to uncover the crucial particulars about this process. Well, without any further delay, let's get it started. Part 1. Transfer data from Android to an iOS device. Step 1 for that. Open Phone Transfer Tool. Launch Wondershare's Dr.Fone on your computer to proceed into the toolbox. Step 2. Step Source and destination for data transfer. As it opens a new window, set the source and destination devices for the phone transfer. While setting up the devices, the data is also uploaded on the platform. Yes, you can use the flip button to change the transfer directions between devices. Step 3. Initiate transfer of data. Once the transfer direction is set for the Android device to iOS device, continue to select the data types and where you wish to transfer the data. Checkmark them and click the Start Transfer button to pursue with the particular function. Step 4. Observe transfer progress. The window opens showing the progress of the data transfer. Click Cancel if you wish to close down the operation. Step 5. Conclude Android to iOS data transfer. Once done, Windows on the front shows the successful execution of the process. Tap OK to close it down. Part 2. Transfer data from Android to Android. Step 1. Select devices for Android to Android transfer. Connecting both Android devices lead to their data load on the platform. Continue to select the source and destination devices for the process and use flip button if required. Step 2. Choose data types to transfer. Select the particular data types that are to be transferred in the process. On selecting them, continue to click Start Transfer button for the procurement of the process. Step 3. View the progress of the Android to Android transfer. The window opens on display showing the completion of the process. The progress bar appears in the display where you can cancel the entire transfer if you wish to. Otherwise, let it be completed. Step 4. Complete Android to Android transfer. Once the data is transferred successfully, the Windows shows a clear message on the screen for the completion. Click OK and conclude the process. Well, keep an eye on our channel, so please go now and subscribe and hit the icon button so you will be notified for all the upcoming videos about the amazing product features. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and please let us know in the comment section if you want any specific video on certain topics. That's it for today. See you in the next video.